How to lock your album on Grindr. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to lock your album on Grindr. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download the Grindr app on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can visit their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm on my dashboard of my Grindr, and I just need to click my profile right here in the top left corner, and it will show me this. So right here, I can just click my albums to see all of my albums. And after I click that, I will be redirected right here where I can see all of my albums. And if I want to, show all people that has access in my album, I can just click the three dots right here on the top, on its top right corner, right on the top right corner of the album. And as you can see, if I click that, these options will appear. And as you can see, there will be an album sharing button, and if I click that, this window will also appear where it will show me all people that has access in my album. So that's it. So in order to lock your album, you just need to, stop sharing your album to all people that is listed right here. As you can see, there are no people that are listed right here because I didn't share my album. But if I have people that has access in my album, they will appear right here, and I can just click their name and click stop sharing to lock my album to there. So if I want to really completely lock my album, I can just click all people that has access in my album, and I can just stop the sharing of my album from them. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can lock your album on Grindr. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.